Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add email account to Outlook. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to go to outlook.live.com, and once you do that, okay, thank you. Log in using your primary Outlook of Microsoft account. Once you're inside your inbox, which looks like this, it means you're ready to connect another email account. So click on the settings gear icon in the top right, or I would rather say click on your profile name at the top right corner and you can see a couple of options here, and one of the options you find is sign in with a different account. So what you would want to do here is to click on sign in, and that's going to take you right into the sign in window. It's actually going to log you out of your current account and take you to the sign in window where you can now enter another email account, either Gmail or other email accounts, just depending on the account that you are adding. Okay, so it takes you here. So you're just going to have to fill in the required fields. Add in your email address, click next, and in the next window, so after entering your email, phone, or Skype, go ahead and click on next. Then next is where you have to add your password. All right, just like a walk mail or something like that. So next is where you have to add your password, and once you enter your password, then it's going to take you to the account itself for the Outlook account. So Outlook will sign you into the account. Now, once you sign into the other account, I'm going to show you what to do. So this is actually my own account because I don't have another account, I just have one. So this is signing me already in. So once I'm in, you're going to see that once you click on your profile picture, thank you so kindly. Now once you click on your profile picture at the top right again, you see that the two accounts will be added. Now you can shuffle in between the both when you want to use any, and just organize your mail, allow it to look good, allow it to look crisp, allow it to look just properly organized. That's actually the new word, that's actually the right word, and that's it. You can now manage your multiple email accounts right from your Outlook web app. No more juggling tabs, just one slick inbox to just rule them all. So that's it. So like I said, once you click on this, then you'll be able to see the other accounts that you added from here. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.